I just need a one-line answer from everyone. How excited are you for the film?
One word chalega. Very.
Yeah, I was going to say that.
पाकिस्तान वालों ने इंडिया को एक मेल किया था कि what are you guys preparing for a war? आपके फिल्म के प्रिपरेशन के कारण. Did you guys know about this? Yeah, what?
I remember one incident where Shiv tried to pull a fast one on me. तो क्या हुआ था कि
Oh, and your dialogue.
Lieutenant Vikram Batra. Sir. Your code name is Sher Shah. तो हो तैयार.
How was your the preparation time? You are going to give the main dialogue. आपका diet का क्या फिर scene था?
वो शिव था मेरे साथ, तो शिव इज वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट हिज डाइट. तो वो जो भी अपने लिए मंगाता था मैं उसी में से खा लेता था थोड़ा सा.
Shadaf Paji, कि आके you put an Instagram post. This was a fantastic journey, but how I got that is another story. तो उस another story के बारे में हमें बताइए.
अरे सच कहूँ तो सेड और मैं इंटिमिडेट होते थे कि हमें शिव के बगल में खड़ा होना पड़ेगा. सारी
when you portray characters who are as legendary as the ones that our team has portrayed, you're under immense pressure.
जैसे like once in a lifetime opportunity. ऐसी फिल्में रोज नहीं बनेगी. शेरशाह is सिद्धार्थ and सिद्धार्थ is शेरशाह.
Hello, hi, what's up India with Bollywood family? मैं हूँ आपका जतिन और आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं with the cast of शेरशाह. So hi Nikitan भाई, hi.
Hi.
कैसे हो आप लोग? What's up? How's it going?
What's up, man?
Very good, Jatin. Very good. No, but thank you so much. I hope you're doing good in these times. Yeah, you're staying safe and good.
Yes, fit and fine, sir.
Very good. And tell us, what's the buzz about Sher Shah? How are you feeling about Sher Shah?
I was an NCC cadet and Vikram Batra's movie coming to life and Siddharth Malhotra playing him and the trailer was so well and your dialogue, your code name is Sher Shah. That's like goosebumps. Like
Yeah,
how was your the preparation time? You are going to give the main dialogue.
Oh, well, yeah, since it was the main one, it was one of the main dialogues. Well, yeah, preparation, to just put it or just, pinpoint one part will be unfair. It's been a challenging one. Of course, for me, it was more about mental preparation. It's about
Exactly.
when you portray characters who are as legendary as the ones that our team has portrayed, you're under immense pressure. Yes, because you want to be honest, you want to be true, you want to give what is truly deserved for that character, waiting for it to come out and for people to experience what we have experienced. So, yeah, entire process has been phenomenal.
निकेतन पाजी, how was your whole shooting experience? मतलब पहाड़ियों में जैसे कहते हैं ना, ट्रेलर में भी कहा था पोस्ट कार्ड टाइप. तो how was the whole पहाड़ी में, जैसे भी आपकी फिजिक इतनी अच्छी है तो शिव भाई देख के थोड़ा इंटिमिडेट नहीं होंगे कि मतलब I'll be standing next to him as an officer. So how was that the shooting experience and the moments and situations while
अरे
shooting?
सच कहूँ तो सेड और मैं इंटिमिडेट होते थे कि हमें शिव के बगल में खड़ा होना पड़ेगा. सारी So, as far as shooting in the mountains is concerned, yeah, it was quite tough because of the altitude. हम बॉम्बे में पले बड़े हैं, तो we are used to a certain level of oxygen by the ocean. तो वहां जाकर firstly you have to acclimatize. उसके बाद सारा दिन आर्मी यूनिफॉर्म में with the weapons in hand, from morning to night we used to run, we used to fight, jump, fall, all of that. So yes, it was very tough. लेकिन हमें पता था कि we are part of something much bigger and something जैसे like a once in a lifetime opportunity. ऐसी फिल्में रोज नहीं बनेगी. तो उसी को दिमाग में रखते हुए it was like a great motivation for us. कि just give your best. फिर this chance won't come again. एक बार ये short can हो गया तो हो गया. That's it. We should take each day at a time, and it honestly was a lot of fun.
आपका डाइट का क्या फिर सीन था?
वो शिव था मेरे साथ, तो शिव is very particular about his diet. तो वो जो भी अपने लिए मंगाता था मैं उसी में से खा लेता था थोड़ा सा. Very particular about what he eats.
Then Shiv must have lost like a lot of weight.
Oh, yeah, he did. Yeah, he did.
Damn. तो
Shiv
वही
was
मतलब
Nick, what do
Shiv
you
was the
say about
only
that?
soldier with 10 packs.
Shiv, you're saying something.
No, Nick was very particular about his exercise, and so were we. And it was very interesting because in the hotel that we were staying, so Sid had brought along some workout equipment, and then Nick organized some equipment, then somebody else organized some equipment, and by the end of it, the hotel they had a mini kind of a ballroom or a mini room which got converted into a makeshift gym. So it's very interesting because after the shoot, every day I remember working out with Sid, or there's another actor called Anil, then there's Nick, there's me. So all of us to be working out in the same room, and and in our case, because we were always spending a lot of time playing pranks, having a lot of fun, working out together, eating our meals together. So that sort of created a very organic friendship and a genuine friendship, which I hope उसकी झलक आपको स्क्रीन में पे देखने को मिले.
डेफिनेटली दिखेगी. क्या आप लोगों ने ये सुना है कि मतलब आपके जो मतलब डायरेक्टर ने ऑलरेडी एक इंटरव्यू में कहा था कि there was 7 to 8 months of preparation time, and then the sets and all were like perfectly similar to what happened. तो पाकिस्तान वालों ने इंडिया को एक मेल किया था कि what are you guys preparing for a war? आपके फिल्म के प्रिपरेशन के कारण. Did you guys know about this? Yeah, what like कुछ भी इसके बारे में?
I didn't know about this, but I can tell you something that you see when you're at the border and you're at such close proximity to each other, whatever movement of any kind which happens, which is a slightly large movement of say 100 people, and usually a film crew is what 100, 200 people, it's like that. And especially a film like this where you have a lot of soldiers and men wearing the uniforms, and you have real army personnel and movement of army trucks. It's you can say that you don't know what's happening on the other side, but each side knows to a certain extent as to what is happening on either side of the border, and that's their job, to know what is happening and what is not, because they have to be chokanna, they have to be completely astute with what is happening, because if they miss out on these things, then our film shoot turns out to be actually an attack. Then they will always curse themselves. But
also I think जो हम लोग ने during the war shoot के time पर जो explosions हुए, जो पूरा continuous firing for days and all, so that must have created that kind of an impression. But I'm not too sure about this information though, but if it is come from a reliable source, then it must be true.
Yeah, they were guided by the army. So we were actually following a pretty strict protocol in terms of when we had to step out, when we didn't have to step out, where our locations were. So it was not like that we aimlessly just went near the border and started shooting. So there was a lot of preparation and planning for this film.
So moving on, I would like to ask this question to Shadaf Paji. कि आके you put an Instagram post. This was a fantastic journey, but how I got that is another story. तो उस another story के बारे में हमें बताइए.
Yeah, that's an interesting question. First of all, I'm very happy that you're following us and you've done your homework so well. So kudos to you. Yeah, wonderful. So yeah, when I got a call from the casting director, I was shooting in Hyderabad for a Telugu film, and they had to close on the character really soon. I'd sent my audition in and they liked my audition, but Vishnu wanted to meet me in person. And it was such that when he was in town in Bombay, I was not here and I was in Hyderabad shooting. So we were just not able to catch up. And he's like, listen, I just want to meet you for 5 minutes. I said, Vishnu sir, I'm coming to Bombay tomorrow morning. He's like, damn, I'm leaving tomorrow morning as well for, I don't know where he was going. So what do we do? And he said, okay, let's do one thing. What time's your flight landing? So my flight was landing at around 10. So my flight was landing at 10. His flight was taking off at about 1:30. So what do? I got off at the airport. We met at one of the hotels really close to the airport, and quickly in transit, he met me. We had a little conversation and he looked at me and he said, sir, you're on. So that's how my first meeting with Vishnu was. And then he flew off to his destination and I went back to my destination, and today where we are. So totally, man, destiny had its part playing so well. And yeah, that's the story about how, the meeting happened and how I think he wanted to really, he'd seen the audition, but I think he really wanted to meet me in person, which I think is so amazing, to see the aura, to see the energy, because the character that I'm playing is a legendary human being, So to be able to play that character, he wanted to make sure. So that was the little backstory about, before things started.
So yeah, as Shiv Bhai was saying, so Nick Bhai, कुछ pranks के 2-3 experience बोल दो ना हमें. ऐसे कौन से pranks, कौन ज़्यादा prank मतलब के receiving end पे था?
No, Nick.
जो receiving end पे था, कौन था भाई? वही था ना, शिव? वही राकेश ही था शायद.
No, Nick is a very big prankster on set, and he's He was bullying a lot of young
The
actors.
poker
of
face.
course.
With the poker face.
Thangabali.
No, but
नहीं पता होता क्या है ना कि जब 15-20 लड़के एक साथ होते हैं ना तो कुछ ना कुछ हंसी मजाक मस्ती और मजाक तो चलते ही रहता है एंड आई थिंक वो जरूरी होता है क्योंकि जब आप एक टुकड़ी या एक रेजिमेंट का हिस्सा आप दिखा रहे हैं स्क्रीन पे तो आपको ये चीज रियलाइज होनी चाहिए कि जो आप दिखा रहे हैं एक्चुअल में वो लड़के जो हैं they have been together for months and years together. वो एक साथ मतलब उनकी they have been there for many years. तो वो कैसी आपको relationships दिखाएंगे, so for us to play pranks or to have fun and joke around each other on set is actually very good because it really lends to a lot of warmth on set.
I remember one incident where Shiv tried to pull a fast one on me. तो क्या हुआ था कि एक हमने ग्रुप फोटो ली थी सिड के साथ और हम यूनिफॉर्म में थे और वो फोटो को मैंने अपने ग्रुप चैट में जो हमारा शेरशाह का एक्टर्स ग्रुप चैट था वहां पे मैंने पोस्ट कर दिया व्हिच इज फॉर एवरीबॉडी। फिर पता नहीं कैसे क्या हो गया अगले दिन किसने वो फोटो निकाल दी या पब्लिश हो गया और उसको पब्लिश कर दिया किसी ने इंस्टा में। ठीक है, तो अब हलचल मच गई कि भैया ये तो आउट हो गया, थोड़ा लुक आउट हो गया। तो मैं सेट पे पहुंचा और शिव बड़ा सीरियसली बैठा मेरे पास आता है, बोलता है जो क्या किया आपने? क्या किया मैंने यार? बोलता है सर आपने फोटो लीक करवा दी। और मैं गया भड़क, क्या बात कर रहा है यार तू? बोलता हाँ सर देखो ये देखो शब्बीर भाई बुला रहे हैं आपको, आइए आइए। मैं गया वहां पे, शब्बीर भाई व्हाट हैव यू डन? I said, what have I done? He's like, you've released the photo. I said, what do you mean you've released the photo? I have not released any photo. I challenge you. मैं तो गुस्सा हो गया उसके बाद। मतलब I was like, I went to Shiv and I said, listen Shiv, I have not done anything. And the minute I said that, he burst out laughing, man. So yeah, so that was one moment where there were loads of them, man. There were loads of them. Matlab, I think we lived our best years. Like Shiv was saying, it's a group of young boys going together. Everybody contributed to the happiness, the joy, the family that we have created.
शूटिंग कम कैंपिंग ज्यादा हो गई ना।
आई थिंक हमारी फिल्म के लिए सबसे अच्छी बात यही थी कि ये फिल्म कारगिल में थी और एक आउटडोर फिल्म थी, तो हम सब घर से दूर थे, तो ना चाहते हुए भी एक साथ टाइम बिताना है, चाहते हुए भी एक साथ टाइम बिताना है। तो ये हमारी फिल्म के लिए एक बहुत अच्छी चीज हो गई। जैसे हम सीनियर एक्टर्स से सुना करते थे, जब वैनिटी वैन नहीं हुआ करते थे, मोबाइल नहीं हुआ करते थे, तो सारे एक्टर्स साथ बैठते थे और उसमें कमराडरी अलग ही बनती है। चाहे आप एक फिल्म जीवन में साथ करो, लेकिन दोस्ती जीवन भर की होती है। I think that's what we've achieved. That's the one thing we're taking away from Shersha.
Well, I'm just excited and now I've become more excited to watch the film. So yeah, the last question is one line about Siddharth Malhotra in Vikram Batra's shoes.
Go Shiv.
Nothing. I just one line. I'll just think. Okay, then I'll give Sid a wish. I'll say go for glory.
Nice one.
Oh well, यार हम क्या करेंगे? Already his family, Vikram Batra's family members have said कि उनको Sid में उनका बेटा दिखता है. Whatever it is, yeah, Sid, just go for it, kill it, rock it. We're so proud of you, Shersha.
Lastly, Nick bhai.
I just feel that at the end of this film, ऐसा होना चाहिए कि लोग कहें कि Shersha is Siddharth and Siddharth is Shersha.
Yeah,
that would be awesome.
Wow, big words. And okay, thank you for your time, guys.
Yeah.
And
Thank you.
Thank you, Jatin. We really enjoyed talking to you, and keep your fire alive always.
Yes. So meet you in the success Zoom interview.
God willing.
Thanks, Jatin. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, buddy.